Hello everyone, I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Faremathura. Today I am going to deliver a very important topic in physics, which topic is Schrodinger time independent wave equation. This equation is important for graduate students, BTech students and MTech students who are preparing various examinations. So, Schrodinger time independent wave equation, the force acting upon a particle or potential energy does not depend upon time but vary with position of particle. So, this is the definition. According to classical wave, optics, the differential wave equation del square phi upon del x square plus del square phi upon del y square plus del square phi upon del z square equal to 1 upon c square del square phi upon del t square, where c is the velocity of light. This is the classical wave equation. Del square phi upon del x square plus del square phi upon del y square plus del square phi upon del z square equal to 1 upon c square del square phi upon del t square. In analog optics, in analogy optics, the differential equation of wave motion the equation is del square psi upon del x square plus del square psi upon del y square plus del square psi upon del z square equal to 1 upon v square del square psi upon del t square. V is the velocity of particle. V is the velocity of particle. So, the wave function psi x, y, z and t, this is the space coordinate system x, y, z and t of particle can be separated into space coordinate x, y, z and time space coordinates and time dependent t. For a wave, this is the condition. The function must be periodic. The function must be periodic it may be considered as e की पावर I omega t. Then omega equal to 2 pi nu, and nu is the frequency. So psi x y z comma t equal to psi is the function of space coordinate x y z and function of t. We write the equation psi x y z comma t for a periodic motion of wave x y z e की power I omega t. Now differential of this is equation number 2, and first one equation, this is equation number 1, and first one equation I write del square psi upon del x square plus del square psi upon del y square plus del square psi upon del z square equal to 1 upon v square del square psi upon del t square. This is the analog optics of wave motion equation. So this is equation number first, and another one is equation number 2. Now differentially equation 2 partially twice time with respect to x. Twice time with respect to x. Now I differentiate equation number 2 twice time partially. Del square psi upon del x square equal to del square psi upon del x square function of psi x y z and e की power I omega t. Now the function is del square psi upon del x square equal to del square psi upon del x square e की power I omega t. Similarly I differentiate y terms and z terms. Then del square psi upon del y square equal to del square y upon del y square del square psi e की power I omega t, and del square psi upon del z square equal to del square psi upon del z square e की power I omega t. Now again differentially equation of 2 partially twice time with respect to t. Very important points. I differentiate the equation number 2 with respect to t times, twice times. Differentially equation 2 partially twice time with respect to t. This is the equation number 2. Then del square psi upon del t square equal to del square psi upon del t square. Psi is the function x y z e की power I omega t twice times. Then calculate I square omega t psi, I square omega t psi e की power I omega t. I square equal to -1, then omega psi e की पावर I omega t. So this is the function of psi. The value of del square psi upon del t square put in equation number first. So del square psi upon del x square plus del square psi upon del y square plus del square psi upon del z square equal to minus omega square, 2 times omega square. I square equal to minus 1, this one I square equal to minus 1 and omega square psi e की power I omega t, omega square upon v square del square psi upon del t square. Now the equation of minus omega square, we can write del square psi upon del x square plus del square psi upon del y square plus del square psi upon del z square plus omega square upon v square del square psi upon del t square equal to 0. This one is the equation. We can write the equation. This is the operator of delta. Now operator square equal to del square upon del x square plus del square upon del y square plus del square upon del z square. So the equation is del square psi plus omega square upon v square psi equal to 0. Now we know that omega equal to 2 pi nu and nu equal to v upon lambda and lambda equal to h upon v. So omega equal to, omega equal to 2 pi nu v by lambda and lambda equal to h upon p, 2 pi v upon lambda into p. So this is known as omega and the value of omega equal to 2 pi nu equal to v by lambda and lambda equal to h upon p. Omega equal to 2 pi nu equal to v by lambda and 2 pi v lambda equal to h upon p. Then this one is h upon p, 2 pi v p upon lambda. Now the equation is omega equal to 2 pi v upon lambda, h upon p omega equal to 2 pi v upon lambda. Now so the equation is omega square upon v square, 2 pi v upon lambda whole square 1 upon v square equal to 4 pi square v square upon lambda square 1 upon v square. This one is cancelled. So the equation is omega square upon v square equal to 4 pi square upon lambda square. 4 pi square upon lambda square or lambda equal to h upon p, lambda equal to h upon p, then omega square upon v square equal to 4 pi square p square upon h square. The value of omega square upon v square equal to 4 pi square P square upon H square. If E is the total energy, if E is the total energy of wave, and V is the potential energy, and T is kinetic energy of wave, then E equal to T plus V. T is the kinetic energy and V is the potential energy. This is capital V, and another one, this is small v. This is velocity of particles, and this is the potential energy. Now I calculate capital T equal to E minus V. We know that kinetic energy T equal to P square upon 2m. Then P square equal to 2m capital T, and I write it 2m E minus V. The value of P square put in equation number A. So the value of omega square upon V square equal to 4 pi square P square 2m E minus V upon H square. The value of omega square upon V square equal to 8 pi square m E minus V upon H square. This is the value of omega square upon V square. The value of omega square upon V square, we know that H cut equal to H upon 2 pi. So H cut square equal to H square upon 4 pi square. Then convert the equation. 2m E minus V upon H cut square. This is value of omega square upon V square. The value of omega square upon V square put in above equation. The equation is, now I derive the equation earlier, del square psi plus omega square upon V square psi equal to 0. The value of omega square upon V square put in this equation. This equation is equation number 2, 3. Then del square psi plus 2m E minus V 2m upon H square H cut square E minus V psi equal to 0. This is Schrodinger time independent wave equation. For a free space of particles, in wave motion, the potential energy V equal to 0. Now the equation is del square psi plus 2m upon H cut square E psi equal to 0. This is steady state equation of Schrodinger time independent wave equation. So I hope you understand this equation, and after this I will give some numerical problems based on Schrodinger time independent equation. If you explain very well, then you solve the numerical problem which is based on Schrodinger time independent wave equation. So watch on next video. If any comments, so please write my comments box and subscribe my channel, because next upload video you intimate it. Thank you so much.